Welcome to Math Plus, where math makes sense. In this video, we are going to practice finding the area, counting square units. There is a lesson video that accompanies this. Please hit the link above, look at the lesson first, and then come back and you get to practice everything that you just learned. Remember, the area of a shape is the inside part. I want you to pause the video, find that area of the shape, and then come back and see if you're right. The area of this shape is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 square units. And we call it square units because that's how we measure the area of something. It's the inside part. We don't have measurements like inches or centimeters or miles. So when there's just squares, we call them square units. Let's try another one. Again, make sure you pause the video, figure it out, and then come back. Let's count those square units on the inside of the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 square units. Now, why do we have to measure the inside of a shape? What is the purpose of that? I'm going to give you a quick little example. If your parents said, hey, let's put a swimming pool in, and you have to put it in the backyard, you can't just go to the store and say, let's just buy a swimming pool. You have to make sure there's enough area in your backyard or in your yard someplace to put that pool. So yes, you would be measuring the perimeter, the outside, but you're also making sure the area, there's enough area in your yard to put it there, if that makes sense. So area and perimeter are pretty much very good friends. They do go together, but I just wanted to show you an example that it's very important to remember or understand that you need to know how much space you need to put that there. Let me go back to this other picture as well. If this might make more sense. If you were to put a throw rug in your living room or just a little rug in the hallway, you're going to need to know how much area that you're covering on the floor. And that's why we call them area rugs. It'll all start making sense. But what I want you to understand today, we're measuring the inside and we call them square units. So basically, if you were going to put a rug down, probably in your living room, it would be like an 8 by 10 area rug. So I just want to put some of that in there so you understand why it's important to understand what that area is. Let's get back to practicing. Here's another shape. Pause your video, find the area of this shape, and then come back. This shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square units. Are you getting the hang of this? I know it's pretty easy when you're just counting the squares. There is going to come a time when those squares aren't really there. But the important thing today is understand you're measuring the inside of a shape and they're called square units. All right, pause your video, figure this one out, and then come back. Now I know we're going to measure square units, so I'm just going to put that there. And now let's count how many square units we have in the shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square units. Now you're probably thinking, yeah, but when I put a rug down, they're not broken up into squares. In a future video, there's going to be a formula for you to figure out. But for now, understand there's invisible squares inside of the shape. We have one more to do. Find the area. Make sure you pause, find it, and then come back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, what did we call that? Did we just say 5 squares? I want to hear you say it. Yes, very good. Square units. They're square units. Yes, 5 square units. You did a great job today. Make sure you watch the playlist at the end where we talk all about area and perimeter. And then there's also another playlist where we have it all in a geometry lesson sequentially. Thanks for watching.